So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Effective Computing Week 8 Assignment 8. So the first question is skin conductance GSR EDA measures changes primarily due to. So these are the option and the answer of our first question is A. Sweet gland activity. And now let's go to our question number 2. In GSR signals, the fast event related component is called. So these are the option and the answer of our second question is C. SCR, skin conductance response. And now let's go to our question number 3. GSR can reveal whether the emotional state is positive or negative, true or false. So the answer of our third question is false. And now let's go to our question number 4. Skin conductance responses SCR correspond to. So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is B. Rapid event related changes triggered by stimuli. And now let's go to our question number 5. The most emotionally reactive sweet glands are located on. So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is C. Palms and soles. And now let's go to our question number 6. In ECG signals, alpha band power has what relationship with cortical activity? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is B. Inverse. More alpha equal to less activity. And now let's go to our question number 7. In multimodal emotional recognition, early fusion requires. So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is D. Synchronizing signals before concatenation. And now let's go to our question number 8. Slow fusion is beneficial because it. So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is C. Exploits correlations while relaxing synchronization requirements. And now let's go to our question number 9. The Siemens project aims to train a system that. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is A. Engages in multimodal social interaction as a sensitive artificial listener. And now let's go to our question number 10. A challenge in multimodal affect data collection is. So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is D. Getting spontaneous subtle expressions with aligned modalities. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.